Good morning guys, I trust all is well in your world.
Here in New Mexico, Blake's Burger is very well known for their breakfast burritos. Trying one out this morning, I'm pretty impressed.
Right, coffee time. The Roastery, Villa Myriam, they're doing some great things. When you're in the area, come check them out. Time to continue our day. Alright, we've come to check out the Bosque. It's this beautiful belt of greenery that surrounds the Rio Grande River through Albuquerque. So nice here. A special place, the Bosque. Lovely little stroll through the Bosque. It's actually my last day here in Albuquerque, so this is a really wonderful way to finish it off. See something beautiful, be in nature. We're quickly passing by my friend's lab here.
So welcome to my medical cannabis extraction lab. We're going to be doing a CO2 extraction, so I'll be pouring in some of this grounded up cannabis material. We'll go ahead and start pouring this on there. This is where the cannabis is loaded. This is the lid that goes on top of this. And you are essentially making a bomb here with as much pressure as you're creating. From there, the cannabis is then packed, it's sealed. You turn on the machine.
So this machine's now turning on.
As you can see, there are some lettering that comes out here.
Okay, I don't know if you guys can see that, there's some lettering there.
And it kind of lets you know that what I need to do next. After the material is done, you'll open these. So this is called a collection vessel. This is where all the wax will end up after the machine has done the extraction. And the material would then come out through here.
So there's a lot of interesting pieces of equipment here.
And this is actually the biggest culprit of it all.
Yeah.
This is how you make everything. This is the brains behind it right here.
This is the
It's the
shop,
main machine.
shop
It's the
back.
best machine in this whole shop.
It's the shop back.
The shop back.
Without this
Get a shop back.
Thanks, bro. Good seeing you, man. Good to meet you, man, actually.
Yeah, pleasure.
Yeah, man. I'm sure we'll see each other again.
Alright, let's roll. To see his shop like that and to see his lab and how he's doing that is really informative.
Yeah.
We're just passing the Jackson Wink Academy. It is an MMA gym.
Training camp for some of the best fighters in the world. John Jones, Holly Holm, Donald Campbell.
Okay, thank you, House. Thank you, John. Thank you, Marsha. It's time to roll, guys. It's time to move on from Albuquerque for the moment. Continue the journey.
Piers.
Heading on the plane now. Thank you, Albuquerque. It's been great. Hello.
Welcome aboard.
Thank you so much.
You made it.
Lovely sunset, great way to finish off the day. Thank you guys for watching today's vlog. I really appreciate the continued support. Please feel free to give this video a huge thumbs up and to subscribe if you aren't already.